Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. Today I am going to answer some questions related to the development of chemistry, importance of chemistry and nature of matter. These are the subtopic of some basic concept of chemistry. Without any delay, I am going to start the class. Let's see the first question. Cisplatin and Taxol are used to the therapy of which of the following disease? If we put at a balance in the option, then this is the cancer, AIDS, both, none of these. So the answer of this question is the cancer, and this is a easy question. This question has been asked in many competitive examinations. Let's see the next question, or question number 2. The drug AZT, azithromycin, is used for helping to which patients? This is also an easy question, and this question has been asked in many competitive examinations, and this question is from development of chemistry, which is a subtopic of some basic concept of chemistry. Answer of this question is AIDS, AIDS. This is the short form of acquired immunization deficiency syndrome. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 3. Epic the Ras Ratnakar describes the preparation of gunpowder mixture which has been written by. This is an epic, and this question is also from the development of chemistry. This epic has been written by the Nagarjuna. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 5. The epic Brihat Sanghita has been written by. This is also an easy question, and this question is also from the development of chemistry. This epic has been written by Brahmihir. So the answer of this question is Brahmihir. Let's see the next question. The epic Vaiseshik Sutra has been written by. This question is also from the development of chemistry. This epic has been written by Acharya Kannad. He is also known as in the name of Kashyap. So the epic Vaiseshik Sutra has been written by Acharya Kannad or Kashyap. Let's see the next question. The definition of matter. This is also an easy question, and this question is from the nature of matter. If we put at a balance in the option, then this is the first option. Anything which occupies a space only, anything which has mass only, anything which has mass and occupies a space. So this is the exact definition of the matter. So the correct option will be this one. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 7. Solid, liquid and gas are the physical states of matter, and this question is from the nature of matter. This is not the types of matter. So exact answer will be physical states of matter. This is the question number 8. In which physical states of matter particles held very close to each other and there is not much freedom of movement? This is also an easy question, and this question is from nature of matter, and the answer of this question will be solid. This is the question number 9. Mixture or pure substance are the classification of. The answer of this question will be matter. Let's see the last question of this session or this class. Elements and compound are the classification of. These questions is from nature of matter, and nature of matter is a subtopic of some basic concept of chemistry. So answer of this question is the pure substance. For more details, you can attend online live class of Join for Education. You can visit blogs of Join for Education, that is in the name of anandprajapati.blogspot.com. Hope that this answer question will be useful to the schooling students of class 11 having a subject chemistry. This class also will be useful to the JEE aspirants, NEET aspirants, as well as the audience who are interested in chemistry. This class is also useful to the audience who are interested in chemistry. Thank you very much to stay with me till the answer up to question number 10, and these questions are from the importance of chemistry, development of chemistry, and nature of matter. Let's see the score. This is the score details of some basic concept of chemistry. Total time taken 8 minutes 4 seconds. This question has taken 12 slides. Interaction 10, correct 10, score 10, percentage 100, and result passed. These are the details. So once again I request all of you attend online live class of Join for Education. Here you can get details or minute details, minor details about each topic of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology by the expert teachers. Thank you very much to stay with me. Once again I thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.